DLP projector. This is Premiere 5. It's the price is above 1,500, so you can use it like this. It's a short throw projector. You can use it as here to project it on the wall like this, up to 100 inches. This is a projector. This is a speaker. It's covered with this cloth plastic one, but you can transform it to this way by putting the camera, which is in the box, and there are some sensors there that can be used to project an image on a screen, on a table, on whatever, to play games, to watch videos. It's you touch, you touch the content here. This is a Tizen now. Let's play something. For example, let's play YouTube from here. So the projector is there, the videos are here. Let's play this one for kids. You see, guys, it's easy. So you can go here, increase the volume if you like.
Dankeschön.
Erstmal essen, oder?
Erstmal Uber Eats.
So this is it. The Premiere 5. The Premiere 5. In two different applications.
Allow it blend into any home interior, acting as your seamless piece of decor, no matter where it is positioned in your home. In case of the Premiere 5, the smartphone with the Premiere 5, if we connect this, the touch screen is projected about 40 inches on the floor. Then you can enjoy the touch interaction like this.
So there is a camera here, huh?
Yes, this is camera. This is for IR sensor interaction. Okay.
How many touches
Uh,
at the same time?
yes, one. But if you push 3 in some area,
it's fine.
What is undo.
The gesture.
Yeah.
So this is another application of the Premiere 5, and on a table. So you touch here and plays. A projected screen that can be touched. It's nice for kids to play games. It's nice to watch video on a table with friends. This is the Premiere 5.